If you're thinking about selling your home, the right paint color can make a huge difference. Colors have the power to influence how buyers feel when they walk into your home, and can even affect how quickly your house sells. In this video, we'll cover 5 of the best paint colors for selling your house, and share tips on where to use them for maximum impact. If you're thinking about selling your home or just want to refresh a room, these colors can help. Let me know which one you like best, or which color you think would help sell your house in the comments. First up, we have soft white. White is universally appealing because it's a color that conveys cleanliness, simplicity, and openness. It's also a color that helps rooms feel larger, brighter, and more airy, which is a big selling point for buyers looking for space. Why it's appealing to buyers? White gives the impression of a well-maintained, move-in-ready home. It's neutral, which means potential buyers can easily imagine their own furniture, art, and decor in the space. Where to use it? Soft white is incredibly versatile and works in nearly any room. It's perfect for bright and welcoming entryways, clean and airy kitchens, and fresh, spa-like bathrooms where cleanliness and freshness are priorities. If you're working with a smaller room, white can help create the illusion of more space. Tip: to make your white walls feel warm and inviting, go for a soft, warm white instead of a cool, bright white. A warm white creates a cozy atmosphere and pairs beautifully with natural wood accents. If you're unsure about stark white, consider choosing a white with subtle hints of beige or cream. Another tip is to pay attention to the lighting. Warm whites can appear slightly yellowish under certain types of artificial lighting, so make sure to test the color in the room's light before making your final choice. If you're looking for a neutral color that's both sophisticated and subtle, soft taupe is a great choice. It's a slightly deeper and more refined color than beige, but it's still warm and inviting. Taupe is a perfect middle ground for those who want something richer, but not overpowering. Why it's appealing to buyers? Taupe has a calming, earthy feel that creates a sense of elegance and tranquility. Buyers are drawn to taupe because it's versatile, working well with many decorating styles. It gives off a warm, comfortable vibe without being too bold or heavy, which is perfect for people looking for a cozy, inviting home. Where to use it? Soft taupe works beautifully in living rooms, dining rooms, and bedrooms. It gives spaces an elegant, luxurious feel without being too bold. This color can make a room feel cozy and intimate, which is perfect for spaces where people relax and unwind. Tip: pair taupe with crisp white trim or lighter furniture to create a well-balanced room. If you want to make the space feel more modern, combine taupe with metallic accents like silver or gold. These metallics can add just the right amount of luxury to the space. Taupe also works well with natural textures, so consider incorporating items made of wood, wicker, or linen to create a harmonious natural atmosphere. Next up, light gray. Gray has been one of the hottest trends in interior design in recent years. It's a neutral color that brings depth to a room without overwhelming it. Light gray works well in almost every type of home, whether it's modern, traditional, or even a more rustic space. It's a sophisticated color that creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere, which many buyers find attractive. It has a way of making spaces feel open and airy while still adding depth and character. Where can you use it? Light gray is an excellent choice for living rooms, dining rooms, and hallways. It pairs beautifully with bold furniture, such as deep navy or emerald green velvet sofas, adding contrast and depth, while also complementing softer elements like beige linen chairs or light wood coffee tables for a more serene and airy feel. If you have an open-plan living space, light gray can tie the rooms together, making them feel cohesive and spacious. A great tip is to take advantage of light gray's versatility by adding pops of color through furniture and decor to create a lively and balanced space. Bold accent pillows in deep mustard yellow add a vibrant contrast against light gray. Rugs with intricate patterns in shades of rust, burgundy, or sapphire blue create warmth and depth. The key to working with gray is to maintain a balance between the neutrals and your accent colors. Additionally, try using light gray with white trim for a more polished and sophisticated look. This is a combination that works in both modern and classic homes and makes spaces feel open and clean. Beige is a color that never goes out of style. It's warm, inviting, and timeless. It's the kind of color that appeals to a wide range of people because it creates a neutral, cozy backdrop. Beige brings a sense of tranquility and comfort to a space, which can be very appealing to potential buyers. It's easy on the eyes, making it particularly appealing for buyers who want a home that feels comfortable and relaxing. As a neutral, beige allows buyers to easily picture their own personal style in the space. It looks best in living rooms, cozy bedrooms with soft lighting, and welcoming entryways with decorative accents, creating a warm and cozy feeling where people love to relax. Beige is also ideal for homes in warmer climates, as it adds a light, airy feel to spaces. When picking a beige shade, it's best to choose one that isn't too yellow or too brown. Instead, go for a balanced beige with gray undertones. This keeps the space feeling fresh while maintaining that warm, inviting atmosphere. Another useful tip is that beige pairs well with both soft and dark furniture. If you have darker hardwood floors or darker furniture, beige will create a nice contrast, allowing those elements to stand out. What if you don't want to use a neutral color, but still want a shade that appeals to buyers? Olive green might be the perfect choice. It's rich, earthy, and timeless, adding warmth and sophistication while creating a natural, inviting atmosphere. This versatile color works beautifully in kitchens, living rooms, and bedrooms, making any space feel both cozy and refreshing. Buyers love olive green because it feels calm, stylish, and effortlessly elegant. It pairs beautifully with natural wood tones like bamboo, rattan, and walnut, creating an organic, grounded look. But if you want a more modern touch, gold or silver accents add just the right amount of contrast and sophistication. In smaller spaces, a lighter shade of olive green helps keep the room open and airy. In larger areas, deeper tones add richness and depth without feeling overwhelming. Whether on an accent wall or throughout a room, olive green adds warmth, character, and a stylish touch, making it a great choice for selling a home. If you're thinking about updating your space, why not explore more color trends? Check out the next video to discover the top kitchen cabinet colors for 2025.